Hello, welcome to Think Academy. This is our last explanation video of the first session of KMC training camp. Looking forward to see you guys of next session. So let's give this a perfect ending for the first session. So the topic, plane geometry. So now you need to find the information through the pictures, through the diagrams. So let's go. The first one. The question is so easy. How long is the train? It's so short. So all the information is in the picture. The first one we can find the length of the train with the length of the bridge. If we plus them together, it equals 340 in total meters. And what about this one? So this one, when the train moves onto the bridge, now the left part is 110 meters. So if we use the math language, it's going to be train plus the bridge equals 340 meters. And this one is bridge minus train, 110 meters. So we know the sum, we know the difference. So this is actually belongs to the word problem of sums and difference. This topic is very popular in different kinds of competitions. So for this kind of problem, we recommend you use the line graph to help you solve the relationship between these two things. For example, let's use this problem as our example. So we draw the line segments. And the trick for the line segments, you always draw the smaller number first. So here we're going to draw the train first. So if I use a line segment, I'm going to use my ruler to represent the length of the train, to represent that number. And for the bridge, the line gonna be longer because we know they have the difference. So it's gonna be longer. Maybe that's long. And now because we know the difference, right? So we can compare these two line segments. We compare. Do you know how long for the different part? Easy. That's the difference then. 110 meters. And also we know the sum. Okay. After doing this, after marking the numbers, let's observe our line segments. In these two line segments, is there a part that's the same, that the train has, also the bridge has? Yeah, just this part. Let me use a different color. So this part is same in this bridge and in the train. We can use a rectangle to represent it for us to write the working down. So for this whole picture, one triangle for the train, I will write down here, and for the bridge is triangle plus the difference, 110. The sum, 340 meters. Now, could you solve this working? Yeah, so it's triangle plus triangle equals 340 minus 110, so 230 meters. So now do you know for one triangle, directly divided by 2, easy, 115 meters. So the answer is B. So this problem, we know the sum and the difference. We can try to draw the line segments and mark the number. Then you try to list the sum, list the working for sum, and find how many for one triangle, for one short line. Okay, that's it. Let's continue. The big rectangle consists of various squares of different size. Each of the three smallest squares has area 1. How big is the area of the big rectangle? If we want to know the area of rectangle, we use length times the width equals area for rectangle. But here we only know the smallest square. The area is 1. But do you know the side of the smallest square? Yes, it's also 1. And if we put these 3 ones together, then we can find the side of this square 3, because here is 3. And then we can find for this one 4, and for this whole width, what's it? 3 plus 4 is going to be 7. So you are continue using the size of the square, the equal relationship between the 4 sides, and try to find the length and the width. Okay, now we know the width. What about the length? So for here, it's going to be 7. And then that means 7 is this place. And in total, 7, 3, 1. So it's going to be 11. So length 11, width 7, times together 77. Option C. So find it, the answer, option C. You have to be patient. Find for each side to make the whole width and the whole length. Okay, the last one. The map shows the round trip that Captain Blue Bear covers during his journey. There, 3 distances are given on the map. So Berg to Walkman, 17 kilograms. So Bloom to the west is 15 kilograms. And this one, kilometers. And west to Wild is 26 kilometers. So how he sails from island to island and starts to the island Berg. So here we start from here. We start from Berg. And let's see. So if we start from Berg, in total, he covers a distance of 100 meters. So what's this 100 meter for? So the total difference, that means the perimeter of this shape is 100 meters, 100 kilometers. So the distance between the islands west and Wild is equal to the distance between the islands Berg and Bloom. So that means this 26 from west to Wild is equal to Berg to Bloom. So there is 26. And here is 17. So we know from Walkman to Bloom. So 26 minus 17 is 9 kilometers. And then we know that, how big is the distance between Berg and Wild. And now we know here is 9. And we know that in total is 100. So that means we plus the each line segment is going to be 100. We don't know this one. So easy. We just minus 100 minus 17 minus 9 minus 15 minus 26. Which one is the answer? Give you 30 seconds to calculate. So here 26 again. And 26, that means 52. 52 plus this 15. 52 plus 15, 67. 67, 7. So it's going to be option D. The answer, option D. So we have to know what's the meaning of the 100. That's the key point. So for plane geometry, you also need to know the knowledge about area and perimeter. That's the twins for the plane geometry. Okay, that's it. See you for the next session. Try, okay? Try with practice makes you better. Believe in yourself. Try more. See you next time. Bye.